from Honest Stampage here. I am back with another creation made for the Crafters Castle challenge this month. It's always anything goes, and as always we are also sponsored by Tailor Made Cards for You. This month we got this gorgeous Under the Boardwalk digital set, and I didn't print out all the pages, but I printed out a couple pages that I wanted to kind of use. I showed you the preview in the intro, but I just love the colors of these panels with the seagulls, and I think I'm going to be using these today to make a card. So I printed off those. I also printed off these awesome tags. I think that these would be great for like summery gift giving ideas. And then I also printed off these papers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not, but I just wanted to give you kind of a view of like, look at how cool those stripes are and the swirls. The patterns are just so fun and summery. So I think I'm going to start by using, like I said, this panel, and I feel like this area right here is the perfect size to stamp a sentiment. And so I actually found a little thanks from one of my close to my heart stamp sets that I think is going to stamp perfectly right in there. So I'm going to take some black ink and I'm going to ink up this stamp. And because there's 4 on a page, like how awesome would this be to just make a bunch of cards all at once? So I'm going to stamp the thanks right in there. Oh, I love how that looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this out. Okay, I love the way that that looks. I love the colors in this panel, like I said, and I feel like in order to make them pop, I'm actually going to go ahead and put this onto some black paper as kind of a matting. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere that and cut that. And so now I want to bring out my card base and I want to see what this is looking like so far. So I love this just the way that it is, honestly. I feel like this would be a beautiful, quick and simple thank you card. And so I think what I'm going to do though is I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon down here for a little bit of added interest. So let me see what I can find. Actually, I think I'm going to add this lace trim as well. I love the way that's gonna look. I have this blue burlap ribbon that I think is gonna look really cool with this too. So let's see. Oh yeah, this little bit of added texture is just gonna make it perfect. So let's go ahead and put our ribbons on. So now that I've got those on there, I'm going to go ahead and add this to my panel, and then I think I'm going to add another little something here, but I want to get this on there first to see what this is going to look like. Loving this, loving, loving, loving this. Okay, so I want to add a little something right here. I'm not quite sure what I want that to be, but I'm thinking maybe buttons. Let me see what I've got. I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled a couple of different elements. I found these really fun nautical themed / tropical themed buttons in my stash, but I'm not liking the way those colors look. But then I also found this really cool element that I think kind of looks like a seashell or something. And then I found this really pretty blue flower. And so I'm wondering what those look layered on top. No, I don't like that. But I'm wondering if I do something like where I make a little trio right down in here, and then I add something right here. I don't know, that's what I'm kind of thinking. And what I'm thinking is too, I might add some twine to the center of this and make a bow, but I do think I want this to kind of peek out. So I am gonna go ahead and adhere that, and I'm just gonna use some Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue. And then, like I said, I think I kind of want this blue right down in here. And I do think I want to add some twine to that. So let's see what kind of twine I've got. The way that that looks, and I'm gonna set this right like that, I think. Oh, it's so cute. And I think this one is gonna need to be hot glued on. So I'm gonna use these gold pearls. All right, friends, so here is the completed card. I am loving it. This panel made it so easy to make a quick and simple card with just a few elements and a little stamping. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you come join us at Crafters Castle for our Anything Goes challenge. And don't forget to hop over to Tailor Made Cards for You and grab this set. If you enter our challenge at Crafters Castle, you do have the chance to win this. So get to crafting. I can't wait to see what you make. Until next time, hugs and happy crafting, friends. Bye.